Hi, I'm Joe Caserta, president and founder of Caserta, a technology consulting firm based in New York City that helps clients use data and analytics to drive their business. And I'm going to talk about the life cycle of insight, and I'm also going to talk specifically on how it's affecting the financial services industry today. Specifically about how financial services are trying to predict the outcome of their companies in their portfolios before the companies even know how the companies are doing in their portfolios. And the way they're doing that is with a new capability that was never really available before, and it's a combination of a few things. One is a combination of people, where now most financial services companies have on-staff data scientists that are actually able to munch data and do science on data. The second is the technology and the platform, where for the first time we can actually take data from internal data, external data in real time, and use streaming technology to look at data as it's actually happening and do insight on it. And the third thing is the data itself. So being able to do things like take satellite images and looking at parking lots and being able to count cars using artificial intelligence, where you can actually do some predictive analytics to figure out, is that business actually doing well, or is there many cars this quarter as there was last quarter in aggregate, and do things like looking at credit card data to see if there is as much activity last quarter as this quarter, and looking at websites to see if things are starting to go on sale at the end of the quarter to see if they're trying to drive up business. All of these things independently probably are just guess, right? But when you can start doing things where you can take all of this data from all different sources and put it into a cohesive application, and have data scientists, business experts, and data analysts all looking at this data together and build insight into it collectively, and it becomes very, very apparent where the companies are going, and get really, really indicative information to figure out if a company is doing well or if a company is not doing so well. You could reach me directly if you'd like to learn more about it or learn more about our solutions at Joe_Caserta on Twitter, or Caserta, CASERTA.com online. Thanks.